Hello everyone. This video we are going to look how we can verify KYC in Dubai Islamic Bank, either in passport or Emirates ID, okay, through online. How easily we can verify without going bank direct. Okay, let's see. So for that, what you need to do in a Google, just you can type it for DIB. Okay, Dubai Islamic Bank, you can write it, or DIB. The first link you can click, you should have for internet banking account, okay, user as well as for password. Suppose if you did not have, you need ATM account, ATM card. Okay, just you can go login credential over there. Okay, from here it's available for login. You should have username as well as password. Suppose if you did not have, you need to go for quick login. Okay, for that you need to type it your ATM card digit, 16 digit as well as pin, either this method or else you need to go for UAE pass. Okay, suppose if you did not have, you can use for ATM card. Okay, this kind of interface will open, and from here what is a security question which you have given already, that will ask you, and based on that you can give the answer over here. Okay, once you have given answer, just you can click as continue. This will be the easy process. You not required to go for bank. Okay, easy way through the mobile application or else from the web browser you can do it, as the same process available for mobile application also. Okay, once you're giving as continue, and from here it will open your account detail. Before opening account detail, this kind of information will ask you customer information update. Already passport is updated over here. Suppose if it is not updated, this kind of information will show like expiring. Right now it's showing for Emirates ID expiring, so I am clicking as continue over here. Okay, once you are clicking as continue, before that you need to keep it all the copies. Okay, if all expired, in a sense you can keep it all, but for mine Emirates ID has been expired, so that's the reason I am keeping for front as well as for back ID. So just you can open and upload those things. After that you can click as continue over here. So once uploaded for the front page as well as back side of Emirates ID, it will load. Okay, then it will show you the Emirates ID, date of birth as well as expiry date. Just you can confirm those things. From the second page it will show you, and from here you need to click a send OTP. That time only it will receive OTP in your mobile number. So for that, what I am doing, I am clicking send OTP right now, so I will receive for the OTP in my mobile. Once receive the OTP, just you can type it over there. Okay, it will be the valid time for 5 minutes only. After that it will expire. Okay, so such kind of cases, what you need to do, you need to give us resend OTP. So right now I typed for OTP, I am clicking as continue over here. So the information message is showing it is updated. Okay, so you will get for reference number also. Right now it will visible your all account detail, and you can do for all the transactions. If you are not verifying for KYC, you cannot do any transaction, as well as you cannot verify your amount which is available in your account also. I think this video will be helpful to you. If it is helpful, in a sense, you can subscribe and follow this channel and share to your friends. This is useful for them. Okay.